Sick streets.
We no frightened so easy. All when you're rolling with the army that no scare we. Me represent the Gaza. Hey! We no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody.
Jamwest Thompson, I drive an entry EG right there, Samurai.
No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody.
I'm Trudy. We have the 92 EG here. Elmo.
Name is Renardo. I drive the 905 DC1 Integra, the Regon Tex, aka Baby Quengals.
If I war you a defend, go and back home. Crew from flank and no take talk. So go and flip up like Clara phone.
Alright, this group was started about 3 to 4 years ago by me and Keith McFarlane, Postman. Started right here under the tree. One of the first cars was that car right there, the Quingers. Everybody know it. Ugly and fast, you know? So after that everything just get bigger and better and just a flourish more tree and get greener, you know?
Me no care, pin matter right now, right here. Run a survey, you will hear me no pay and bust to hold me not fear. When you see Gaza up.
Well, you know, say, not the rival or something to do, but we got everybody a friend. We just go down and race, try better with time, try to do more with less.
Yeah.
You know what I say? So, just that is the main focus. Now focus on the team right now.
We no afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody.
Last meet, 12 with CRX, don't know issues first time out of the car. So this meet, plus one better than 12, low 12, they're about comfortable, you know?
Alright, well last meet, the aim was to actually, go with a trophy. And I got a personal best of level 7. Coming meet now, war mode. It's time we are dealing with it, so I go out there, we can go in a level 2nd class. Well, God's willing, I can get a little 10, or just so I can not really push it, but yeah.
Actually been my first time racing. And with the setup that we have now, expecting to run nice 14.
Last meet, I was in the 14-second class with a personal best of 13.8 after some run. But I want to see if we can stay in the 14-second class and be a rival with my teammate here.
Never scare, never scare, never scare, never scare.
Alright, CRX, basic setup, type R box, stock B20 low half, B16 head, with some nitrous, not much, just the right amount. See if we can zero up the 12, you know?
Alright, my stuff is basically a B20, the 16 head. Not stock, contain, Jesus and his disciples, fully built. Little nitrous, not too much, but that's all for now, until later notice,
Alright, my EG, single cam boot, so call it stockish.
Stock motor, B16 head, B20 bottom half, stock gearbox. Yeah. You look at knickknacks, that's it.
I really like to achieve good times and trophy. For me, time alone, trophy is key. So just want to zero up the car them in each specific class that they're in and just do the right thing and come home with some trophy and a little piece of cheese. Alright, the call out then. Me can't talk for everybody because me are the war manager. Ray need back Spy son. Spy little son in a little red star like there. Need him back. General I know, Ricky. Yeah man, I hear a cup of tea this man. Him done kill Big Mish already, but me did the second part. Big Mish and Bam Bam. Don't forget it man.
That's not good.
Alright, don't know, want to be the main sponsor them. True Blue Tire. don't know the money response to the 60 foot them. 1.7 the money, 1.6 and thing. YFXM, don't know responsible for the CRH right through. Don't know. Sustainable energy solutions as well, you don't know. Keep the car them cool because sun hot better. Yeah. So you don't know AC have to open and carry them. Alright, where people them can expect more cars from the under 3 participating in drag rivals too. Last time we went with just a few cars. They each did well, even though one had problems, but you know. Doing more with less as always. Stack car them run fast, you know. Just expect good things as always. Who get backs maybe a one video make, you know how our style go.
My EG. Stockish.
Big man, mom, and the retirement man.
It's a pop-up night, you know. Remember saying starting no good thing. Yeah, but I'm the helicopter. I'm the helicopter. The box milk. Hold it long. Don't. See that?
Watch don't man.
After 3. Picture. On that tree. Kaiki.
I want man to pick his start, bro.
1, 2.
On that tree.
You're going to say 3 or 1? So you're not going to say 3. 1, 2, and the 3. Alright, come. The rum, man.